Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Einstein. So this is statistics video, and we're required to formulate this with Excel. So I'm just gonna get straight to the point and solve the problems. So this one says probability X is less than 85 with a mean of 99 and standard deviation of 16. So on my Excel, I've already written everything down. The first one with a mean of 99, x 85, standard deviation of 16. So to formulate this, you can just use normal.dist equal norm.dist. So in this case, our x is 85, comma, our mean is 99, comma, our standard deviation is 16, comma, and true. Enter. So the second one says mean with of 8 rather, standard deviation of 3.12, and where y is greater than 1.5 and less than 4. So to formulate this, you could use equal norm.dist. In this case, our x is 4, comma, our mean is 8, comma, our standard deviation is 3.12, comma, true. But do not forget to minus this one, and you could use norm as well, norm.dist. So our x is going to be 1.5, comma, our mean is still 8, comma, standard deviation is 3.12, comma, and true, and enter. So the third one, C, to formulate this one, we can use norm.inverse equal norm.inverse. So our probability in this case is 0.50, comma, our mean is 16, comma, standard deviation of 2. Enter. So the fourth one, which is the x is 12, mean is 10, standard deviation to the power 2 is 14. So to formulate this one, could use equal 1 minus norm.dist. In this case, our x is 12 and mean is 10, comma, standard deviation, since this one is standard deviation squared, so we are going to get a square root of this one. So for square root, we can just say SQR. This is your square root, and now our square root, our standard deviation squared is 14, close bracket, comma, 2, enter. So the fourth one, it says z is equal to 1.5. Z is 1.5, where z is a standard normal variable. So for this one, you can just say equal 1 minus norm.S.DIST. So our z is 1.9, comma, true, and enter. So that's how you could use Excel to formulate probabilities and so on. So that's what I got for this video. That's what I had for you guys. So please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting so that others can discover my channel. Thanks for watching.